Okay, good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Good to see everyone here. Just give me a second. Let me do this thing first, okay? Hey, Jia Hong, good to see you here. Jia Hong was my classmate that day. Okay. You don't tell me I buy you lunch. If I tell you I buy you lunch, everybody want me to buy you them lunch. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so want me to buy him lunch? Type me. No lah. I just happened to meet Jia Hong in a call, so that's why I bought him lunch. Anyway, we are going lunch, right? Some of them we are meeting for lunch, right? I think I'm meeting 5 of you all for lunch soon. Okay, give me a second. Are you hearing double sound? No, right? Or maybe because you've got Facebook on. Is it? Okay, let's get started. Good to see everyone here. Okay, let's get started. How many was here last yesterday? How many was here yesterday? Some of you are here, right? Sorry, I was trying to share this thing to the group. Not you, okay, never mind. Okay, give me a second. Let me just share this very quickly. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so same thing. We're gonna go through the market. We're gonna go through first time here. Congratulations. Who is first time here? Batch. That's the last batch. 107, right? Who is in batch 107? Type 107 if you are here in batch 107. Okay, congratulations to this day one in your entire trading journey. Okay, it's a lifetime webinar support. Okay, or maybe type in the batch you are in if you remember your batch you are in. Okay, type in the batch they are in. Okay, so yeah, first thing first, whatever I share with you all is for education purpose, not advised to buy and sell. Okay, wow, Hong Li is batch 2 steady. Okay. Okay, batch 68 Jonathan. Okay, good. Let's get started. Okay, same thing. We're gonna go through three things. We're gonna go through first the market. Then we go through the individual stocks, the portfolio of stocks here. Okay. Then lastly, we're gonna go through your stocks. Okay. Yesterday I actually asked like what stocks you want to choose. Okay, I think you all have chosen what stocks already. So later I'll just go through them for you. Okay. So let's get started. First thing first is you all want to find out what are the stocks to short. Okay, don't get lopsided, guys, because even though we say that market is correcting, is still on the uptrend. Okay, guys. So don't suddenly go very short right now. I think it's not the way to go. The purpose is so that we still we protect our position, but we are generally still long position. So you're looking for stocks for shorting. You're looking for Apple, Microsoft, Marvell. Marvell we'll cover later. So maybe we cover Apple, Microsoft, and Facebook. Okay, these 3 stocks later. Okay, so let's go through first the SMT index. Okay, like what I say, we want to make it very systematic. So rather than using TA, which is like MA and stuff like that. Okay, what I want to hope to share with you is to make your trading more systematic. Okay, if you are more systematic, then you know exactly when to buy and sell. Because sometimes you use all these MA and things like can become confusing. So we're going to Trader GPS. We go to weekly chart first. So weekly charts, we mentioned that previously the price has turned bullish. Okay, over here this is long-term weekly charts. And then after that, you have broken the resistance. Okay, I've broken this resistance too. Okay, and then right now break resistance, come back down again. Okay, so long term. Okay, long term On S&P 500 is still up. Okay, we can see from this dotted red line. Right now, the support for long term is here. Okay, it is at this point over here. So if you're long term, then nothing much you need to do. Just looking at the support here. Okay, that is for long term. Okay, however, for the shorter term, when we go into the daily charts, okay, we notice that the candlesticks has changed to red. Previously, this signal over here, at this part over here, there isn't a sell signal. Because why? Because it did not break the low. Okay, the candle did not break the previous candle low. Okay, in fact, it went higher. So you didn't sell. Okay, like in this case, no sell signal. However, when we zoom into this part over here, we notice that the price has broken the low of the previous candle. Yes or no? Okay, so using Trader GPS on position daily right now is a take profit. It's a take profit. Okay, so is it clear so far? Type yes if it's clear. Quite clear, right? Okay, so basically is to close up your long position right now. Okay, so that is for S&P 500. Okay, next is to the Nasdaq 100. Any question so far? I think no question, right? Because some of them we go through before. Okay, so go to weekly again. Look at the weekly support. Weekly support is to the previous resistance. So we can see from here, the previous resistance is at this point here. So draw this line over here. This is the previous resistance. Okay, how about the previous support? The support is right now here. Okay, at this point over here. So we can see that it is quite near the support. Okay, for our Nasdaq. Okay, for our Nasdaq is quite near support right now. Okay, so if we do it to delete away, so support right now, it is over at this point over here. Okay, so just key in a Nasdaq 100, then you should be able to find the stock. Okay, Nasdaq 100. Any question for Nasdaq? NDX. Okay, NDX. Okay. No question. Above the previous resistance. So resistance here will become the support. Okay, resistance here will become the support. Why is it right now that the resistance is above the support? Is because why is the resistance right now below the support? The support is here. It's because right now we don't know where is the resistance yet. Okay, that means there's no price discovery on the resistance yet. Let's say, example, the next 3 days or sorry, next 3 weeks, right? If the price continue to go down lower, then this thing, right, will shoot up to here. Okay, so at this moment, that is just the resistance. Okay, so when we look at somebody asked, right, when we look at the Nasdaq or S&P, does the result apply to the individual stocks? No, guys. If you are trading your CrowdStrike, your Zoom, your Marvell, your Workday, all this Zoom, all this, right? You follow your stocks setup. You do not go and use this analysis and go and take action over here. Yes or no? Or all the stocks are. We do not do that. Type yes if you get what I'm saying. Very important, okay, guys. What is the reason we do this analysis every week? What is the reason we do this analysis every week? Is so that we know whether to hedge or not. But we do not use this, right? Okay, we do not use this analysis over here and decide, oh, now got sell signal for Nasdaq. Maybe I should go and sell my Zoom or my CrowdStrike. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, say again. Everybody got this very clearly? Type yes if you got this clearly. Who got question? Who have a question? No question, right? Hi, Penga. Wow, very long never see you. Okay. Yeah, so support is determined, but resistance is not determined yet. Okay, support is determined. Okay, for the weekly chart, support is determined here. Resistance is not determined yet. Okay. Okay, I repeat one more time for the sake of David, okay? When we do analysis, broad market analysis, even though we have a sell signal over here, okay, even though we have a sell signal over here, it is not our signal to close our stock position. Because let's give you an example, let's say we do ZM, right? We still follow the ZM trade. Do you follow what I'm saying? We still follow the ZM signal. We do not exit the position even when Nasdaq sells position come up. Okay, example, we have NVIDIA. We do not go and exit, right? NVDA, right? We do not exit the stocks, right? Just because the Nasdaq sell signal. Do y'all got it? Y'all get it? Okay, so I hope by now you understand. I repeat a few times already. Okay. Nasdaq 100. Okay, Nasdaq 100. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on. I got lunch at 11:45, so 1 hour only. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. Okay, next thing is Nasdaq. I finished. S&P I finished. Next we go to STI. STI. I repeated many times already. Okay, STI is sideways trend. Okay, it's sideways trend. If you want to buy long term, if you want to buy long term, hey guys, if you buy long term, right, then don't go and look at it. You know, it's like if you're buying long term, then you keep looking at my OCBC how and things like that. Then you will be stressed. Yes or no? Okay. Okay. If you're buying long term, you're buying fundamental. You just want to hold for long term position. Then no need to keep looking at it. Just now got someone asked like the this one, right? No need to look at it. Okay, just hang on to the position. Okay. Siva asks, Nasdaq, is it overbought right now? Overbought doesn't mean we'll go up. Just like oversold doesn't mean we'll overbought doesn't mean we'll go up or go down. Okay, we still have a system to know where to get in and out. Got it, Siva? Okay, now let's go into, so STI, basically, if you're long term, you're going to buy in tranches. Okay, on average, a down market, right? A bear market on average is 1.4 years, okay? 1.4 years, okay? That's the down market, okay? After World War II, right? Average down is about 1.4 years, okay? Average up is 9.1 years, okay? So just keep that in mind, okay? Just keep that in mind when you look at the market. Okay, so don't if your market is going down, don't be too negative. When market is going up, don't be too greedy. I think that's the most important. Okay. You can actually trade the other ETF. I'm talking about just the STI index. Okay, I'm just talking about STI index. Okay, so let's move on. Next is Hang Seng Index. So Hang Seng Index, again, long term, this is the long term trend. We have over here all the crises. Who can name me this crisis without looking at the year? This crisis is what? Guess. Nobody know, No year, nobody know, right? This Asia financial crisis. Okay, this is SARS. Global financial crisis. This is actually the Europe crisis. Okay, that this is the recent coronavirus crisis. Okay, this is the coronavirus crisis. So all the price, all the dips are here. Got it? Okay. Got it? Okay. So let me move on. Hang Seng Index, okay, sideways trend to sideways trend, and that daily charts is also sideways trend. Okay. Oh, it's quite noisy Okay, so it's going sideways. You need to build some kind of base. Okay. So that is for all the index. Any other index question? Some of the question I will answer because too long. Because okay, noisy. What it means is when we have a buy signal and then a few days later we have a sell signal, then we have a buy signal and then sell signal. This is what we call noisy. Got it? Type yes if you understand. This is noisy, okay? So it goes in and out, in and out, in and out. So this is noisy. Okay. China A50. China A50, this is China A50. Okay, China A50 is in our, where? China A50 is on our weekly swing, okay? Our weekly swing. Okay, so still on the weekly swing, still not doing anything. Hit resistance, guys, okay? From, where's the date? 20th July. 20th July was here. Can you see? This is 20th July. It swing up, okay? Swing up, hit resistance, coming down. Still along, okay? So if you want, you can take some profit along the way, okay? But since 20th July, this is the swing, okay? This one, you cannot look at the 20 MA, okay? Maybe you can look at just the 10 MA, okay? Why the Dow Jones haven't rate? Because maybe the bigger cap are stronger, okay? Okay, so any other question on the index? Yeah, noisy stock should stay away, correct? Noisy stock should stay away. Susan, this one still have set up right now, okay? Still have set up. So if you swing from here to here, right now come back here, still have a setup. Okay, wow, okay. So the reason why we don't use 20 MA is because why? This is very strong, okay? This is a very strong price. Okay, another way, let's make it easier. Sometimes, do you think when it's easier, you can make better action, take better action? Yes or no? Because if I talk about MA and then use 10 MA and things like that, you'll be confused. Yes or no? Oh, you'll be confused. So use the trader GPS. The purpose of having a trader GPS is so that you don't get confused. Oh, understand? Get it? Okay, so I suggest if you are new, use a trader GPS to guide you. Type yes if you understand China market. Okay. Type yes if you understand. Okay, now let's go into the individual stocks. Are we ready to go individual stocks? First one. Okay, this week we got nothing. No stocks, okay? No stock to do. Okay. So first one is 968. Oh, this one is last week one. 9618. Okay. So 9618 is here. So our arrow was on the 7th September, right? 7th September is here. So we caught this on the 7th September. I forgot to write this down. 7th September. Oh. Okay, 7th September, we caught it here. So we entered already lah. Yes or no? Okay, because this arrow here on this 7th September, we entered already. Okay, price is down, no sell signal. Okay? No sell signal. Got it? You can also trade the US one, but I'm trading the China one. Okay? Because the US, the JD.com, the arrows are different. All the arrows are different. So you use US one, then you enter here lah, on this entry. Okay, but I'm using the China one. Hong Kong one. Okay? 9618. 9618. Any question on 9618? Who have this 9618? Type 9618. Okay, or JD, whatever. Okay, so good. Okay, so hang on, guys. Okay, nothing much. Now, what you look for is the next few days is this price over here. This price over here, it will rebound. Okay, rebound 3 days. Okay, then this thing over here will come back to here. Okay, look at the trade GPS to buy. Okay, look at trade GPS to buy. Why we didn't choose the first arrow is because we never see lah. Because this portfolio here is like real time. Do you follow what I'm saying? When we see the second arrow, then we enter. If cannot rewind back in time, yes or no? Or unless I do my webinar here on that day, I saw the stocks, but I only saw it on the 7th. Got it? Type yes if you are good. Very good. Oh, by the way, I think today is open to public. Okay, so as usual, we need to have our SMT run. Okay, so you recommend your friends to SMT. Can you type in SMT? Thank you very much. You can type in SMT. You recommend SMT to your friends or public out there. Okay, so guys, no need to if people outside, right, benefit doesn't mean you will not benefit. Okay, everybody can benefit. The only challenge, right, is greed and fear. That's our enemy. Okay, the enemy is not the fellow traders. Our traders is greed and fear and anyhow trade. That's the enemy. Okay, so Angela, if your second signal, you just remember you have 2 more entries. Okay, if you enter 2 more times, then what is your size? Okay, let's say you enter here the size, let's say 10, then the next one you will do 5. If you enter 3 or not 3, let's say you enter 4, then next one will be 2. Got it? I mentioned already. I mentioned this already, right? Disclaimer. Okay, let me move on, guys. Next one, CrowdStrike. Who has CrowdStrike? Type CRWD. Okay, CrowdStrike. It was on 31st August. Okay, guys, I know you all are on the roller coaster, but must stay cool. Okay, don't like anyhow get in, anyhow get out. Okay, so please stay cool and stay on the roller coaster. Don't jump, because roller coaster move, you'll jump off the roller coaster. Okay, so 31st is here. It went up 26%. Okay, and now is up about 4% plus. Okay, but no exit. Yes or no? Okay, I got a question for you all. Okay, Okay, why don't exit here? Who can give me the correct answer? Why don't exit there? No red candle. Yes, that is one reason, but what else? Because your trading is 3 to 9 months. Understand? You are not a short-term trader. Got it? You're not a short-term trader unless you want to like get in and out 5 days, then you're a short-term trader. Got it? The purpose is on this time, because we are holding 3 to 9 months, we give it space. This is the space to move. Understand not? We give it space to move so that in hope that it go higher. Type yes if you understand. Is it guaranteed to go higher? No, it's not a guarantee. But because we are trading 3 to 9 months, we must give it enough space. If not, last time our Zoom went got 170%. Correct or not? Some of you all write the Zoom together with me, right? Because along that journey, it will come down. Okay, so you need to know that you are not a short-term trader. You don't go in and out. You just want to ride the trend. Okay, so next one. MRVA, Marvel. Who have Marvel? Type in the stock. MRVL. So at the end of the day, there is no 100%. Okay, for those people outside, there is no 100% also. At the end of the day, we want to have a systematic way of buying and selling. That's the conclusion. There's no 100%. So 31st was here. I think we entered here. So it went up. Just immediately it went up. It went up 6%, then it went down 6%, then now it's like up about 0.8%. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so some people will just anyhow run, okay, but the thing is just to hold on to your stock. That's for Marvel. Okay, Okay, so for portfolio, we just wait for candlestick turn rate. Got it? Okay, just wait for candlestick turn rate. Next one, workday. Who has workday? Workday, that workday. This one really like roller coaster, right? Imagine it goes up, right? On the 26th, we went in, 25, we went in. It goes up. Like the roller coaster always like that, right? You got see it before or not? The roller coaster always like that. Climb, zoom, like that, right? Same time, this one is like climb, zoom, like that. Okay? So what to do? Nothing to do because you're 3 to 9 months trade. Again, you just hang on to the trade. Okay, support is here. Support is here, and just hang on. Okay, so nothing much you need to do, guys. If not now, we won't do like 49% or 33% for all this trade. Okay, if not, later we go and experiment and see. Okay, so hang on the workday ZM. Who still holding ZM? Wow, so many people hold ZM. Okay, is it fun? The roller coaster, is it fun? Fun. Ayo, I see you all in the group so emotional. Okay, so emotional. Don't so emotional. Okay, so same thing we got in here on the 24th, 24th August here, this date, right? Then immediately zoom and up, then should come down. Okay, this one like starting to move again. Okay, so it went up how many percent? It went up from here to here and up 50%. Now it's up 30%. Hey, still not bad, but you don't want to make 50%. You want to make 100%. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you need to give it time to move. Does it mean that it will not come down? No. Okay, but you want to give it space so that it can go higher. Okay, like our Zoom, we got in the last time we got in February. Yes or no? We got in February. Okay. So February also the same, right? Somewhere in February, let's say example, it went up here, 41%. After that, it went down 32%. If you cut loss here, then you will kick yourself, like, yes or no? Oh, yes or no? Okay. Or along the journey, if it dropped here 23%, even though it went up for 50%, it went back 23%, and you cut loss here, you will kick yourself, lah. Agree? But yes, if you understand, that's what we call space to move. You must give it space to move. Okay. Next is TRMB. Guys, again, I want to emphasize, even though we have a system, it is not 100%. Yes or no? It is not 100%. The key is out of 10 trade. Who have TRMB? Type TRMB. The key is to really let the trend become your friend. That's the key. Okay, so don't go and anticipate, this trade sure make money one. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, so 24th was here. Now it's down about 3-4%. Hang on. Okay, no sell signal yet. If sell signal appear, please go and sell. Okay, but the loss will be little lah. Okay, I assume. Okay. Huya, who has Huya? Type Huya, if you're Huya. Okay, Huya, we got in 10th of August here. 10th of August, down 9%. It went up also, right? From here, it went up on 10th of August. It went up to 8%, and then now it's down about 8%. Okay. So no sell signal, guys. Next one, this one exit already. Who has HZMP? Wow, this one is the type in HZMP. Okay, congratulations. Okay, finally exited. Type in HZMP. If you're HZMP, we got in 18th of May. Yes or no? 18th of May, I think is here. 18th of May, is it here? Yes, 18, look at here, 18th of May, about 46%. Congratulations. Okay, you passed the roller coaster test. Okay, the roller coaster test includes a down move of 11%, includes a down move of 9%, includes a down move of 11%. Okay, but eventually exited. Well done. Okay. So exit. Okay. By the way, exit must wait for candlestick turn red already. Candlestick turn red already. Then mark the low. Then exit. Okay. Please don't exit. Anyhow exit. Roller coaster trophy. Yeah. A good idea. We should give one like roller coaster t-shirt. Okay. Next one. NVIDIA. Who has NVIDIA? Type in NVDA. This one I think a lot of people have. NVIDIA. Okay, still hanging on, 38% still hanging on, not take profit yet. Okay. Next one is ETSY. Who have ETSY? I mean ETSY. Should you sold already. It means like a few days ago, you also still consider have and sold. Okay. You have and sold, right? Okay, so 33% lock in. Get out already. Got it? So okay, so well done. You must give yourself a pat on the back. You passed the roller coaster trophy. Okay, here is down 15%. In the beginning was down 15%. I don't talk about the up, I just talk about the down. Okay, so you managed to sit it through. Okay, like example here down 15% over here or over here, right? At this point or over here, you didn't exit. Okay, so finally exit here. So good. The exit again for the new graduates, right, is this price. Mark the low, mark the low, mark the low, mark the low, mark the low. Here, this is the exit price. Okay, that means that's Friday. Now this is the price when it break below the previous candle low. Type yes if you agree. Okay. Oh yeah, for those public, right? Public, you want to join us tomorrow? We have a class tomorrow. Come and join us. I put out the link over here. Okay. Wow, still got 400 plus outside. Okay, not bad. Okay. So go and you want to join us tomorrow? We have a preview of the SMT class. Okay, I finished up all the stocks already. This one I finished already. Let's talk about short right now. Okay. LHX. Who has LHX? Short, this one? Nobody, Oh, no need to short one, Cool. Nobody got LHX, 2%, 3%. Okay, so LHX still hang on, okay. But this one actually stopped out already. Oh, this one 24th August. Depends. If you are holding LHX, I will say just hang on. Okay. If you got stop out, then never mind. Look for next one. Got it? Hey, hi Raymond. Raymond batch 1, okay? Senior. Raymond is a batch 1 student. That's like Bruce. Okay? Bruce also batch 2, I think. Bruce appeared on Channel News Asia again. Wow. You saw the write-up, Bruce? He'll appear on Channel News Asia. Okay, so if you stop out, then never mind. Just look for next one. If you are still holding on, leave the stop loss here. Okay, leave the stop loss here. Okay, next is Bruce is not here lah. Bruce is batch 2. Hey, you are here, Bruce. BT is you, is it? Wow, I see got batch 2 here. Batch 1, batch 2, 12 years ago one. Okay, so who got FISV? FISV? Type in FISV. Wow, we got so TP. Oh, yeah, TP so fast. Okay, so you can hang on and keep it as a short, or you can take progressive profit. Okay, you can take progressive profit, or you can keep it as a short. I think this one not bad as a short. Okay, guys, this one if you want, you can keep it as a short if you want to. Okay, short is still the same. You can use Trader GPS and look at the short position. Okay, sell okay, use CFD and sell. Okay, the long term one I won't go through. Is there anyone you want me to go through for the long term? Okay, let's go through 700. Long term we use what time frame? What kind of trading? Long term we're using what kind of trading? A weekly position, okay, weekly position trade, okay. So hang on, nothing. Okay, weekly position. Okay, so that will be 700. Okay, long term, any other stocks you want to take a look? Short need teeth also. Okay, guys, short also need teeth. This one is this one we mentioned this before. Okay, short stocks. You look at ranking. Let's say you look at ranking. You also need the teeth. Okay, look at the teeth. BHC, arrow with teeth, yes or no? Oh, so this is how many arrows? This one no count, no count, no count. This arrow number one. This is one. This one no count, right? This arrow number one, not two, right? This one all no teeth. First one, second one. Oh, this one, sorry, two. Well, you're better than me. Okay, this arrow number one. This is arrow number two. Okay. So if you enter number two, then you just have this idea that you only have two more position. Okay. If you arrow number one, you enter number one, then you have three more position. Got it? Just think of it this way, rather than 50, 30, 20, just think of it is how many entry I can short, some more short. Okay. So again, still look out for farmer weekly swing. Okay, still look out for it. Okay, so if you go to farmer, let's say Nasdaq swing weekly, still look out for the weekly swing farmer stocks. Okay, some of these stocks are okay. And then the next one is Nasdaq low broke support. Okay, can you see? That's why last week I put up one. Nasdaq broke support 114, and then some stock going parabolic. Okay, so this one I've done already. 700 I've done already, right? Okay, done already. 700. Okay, now let's look into your individual stocks. Okay, we'll pick up three from the survey. First one, short stocks for shorting. Okay, by Kenneth Trishna. Okay, stock for shorting. What you want to look at? Okay, put in your time frame. Put in your time frame. Do you want daily position, swing, position daily? What time frame? What, so many time frame. Okay, let's do one time frame. Okay, let's do one time frame. Let's do position daily. Okay, let's do position daily. Position daily easiest. Okay, so do position daily. Let's say we do Nasdaq. Okay, position daily Nasdaq. Okay, so rank by month. Rank by month. Can you see? Weakest to strongest. Can you see not? Type yes if you can see. Oh, weakest to strongest. So this one NKLA, first arrow. Okay, NKLA, first arrow. So if you want to short, this one no teeth, okay, no teeth. So let's look for one with teeth. This one got teeth or not? First arrow with teeth. Let's take a look. This one, the mood is still bullish, yes or no? It's not stopped by arrow, stopped by month. Okay, this one still got. Why is it the mode is still bullish? It's because when we go into weekly charts, we see that, oh, this one you see, what happened is this price over here, the price over here went up. Okay, this is support, broken support. Can you see? Oh, broken support. Okay, that's why it is, but it's still bullish. Why? Because the COM here is still above zero. Okay, COM here is still above zero. I think this one maybe short term will have some, maybe not 3 months, but maybe short term will have some drop. Okay, back to maybe this level again. Okay, this is bargain outlet, OLLI. But this one, if you follow the rules, still cannot short. Okay, because follow the rules, the mode must be bearish, then can short. Yes or no? Okay, bearish then can short. But take a look at this. Okay, if this get broken, this is a support. Yes or no? Can you see the support here? Type yes, you can see. This one, I don't think can last 3 months. Okay, it will be faster than 3 months. Okay, that's why the trader GPS no signal to short. Okay, because longer term is still bullish. Okay, so if this support broken, then it go back to here. Okay. For those that don't know how to see support resistance one, then learn that. Okay, but not today lah. Okay, learn how to see support resistance. Okay, so next is other stocks. This one no teeth, this one no teeth. Okay, let's look at other stocks. REG. This one not very interesting. Though this is example of stock that's noisy. Okay, overlapping and noisy. Can see? Agree? Oh, this is noisy stocks. Okay, these are noisy stocks. Okay, so only got one. Only got one stock, which is just now, what's the stock? BHC. Is it BHC? Okay, BHC. Okay, this is a stock. Okay, but I won't put it in the portfolio. Okay, you all go and look at it. Okay, it's also quite noisy. Okay, guys, just take note. Here, quite noisy. But this one is downtrend. Yes or no? Can you all see it's downtrend? Type yes if you can see it's downtrend. Okay, can see. Okay, so next is Apple. Apple, follow trader GPS, sell signal. Okay, sell signal, mark the low. Mark the low. If break below the low, what do you do? Break below the low, you sell. You got it? Type yes if you get it. Okay. Type yes if you get it. Okay, so Apple is this one. Next one is Microsoft. Also sell signal. Yes or no? Sell already actually. Can you see? Sell already. Sold already. Yes or no? Okay, you sold already. Okay. If you are doing position weekly, then no need lah. Position weekly, then like that, like this. Got it? Okay. If you're doing position weekly, then just hang on. Okay. Same thing for Apple. Marvel, I covered already. Then the last one, Lily asked Facebook. Okay. Also the same. Okay. No sell signal yet. If it goes lower, then sell signal appear. Oh. Got it? Okay, so conclude, right, guys? Let's conclude. Trend is your friend. Okay, can you all type in trend is your friend? Okay, don't go against the trend. Okay, like example, we have like CCL. You know, trend is your friend. If it's downtrend, then downtrend. Don't go and fight uptrend. Okay, so like this kind of trend is not strong trend. You want to look for strong trend to buy. Okay, doesn't mean a stock drop a lot. I mean it's good. Okay, Sembawang Marine, another one. Okay, of course you can say, Collin, what if? Do you think it will ever recover? You know, Sembawang Marine. I think will lah, but when I don't know. But I rather go and buy something else, because like this, there is opportunity cost. Yes or no? There's opportunity cost. So must remember opportunity cost. Okay, so answer one question. Shorting versus hedging is the same. Okay, so let me just explain one more time. Because always got this question, right? Okay, so let's say example, you do 50, 30, 23 stocks already. So far, okay, you do 50, 30, 23 stocks already. So you have long position already. Okay, so now you see that market is turning bearish, but your stocks have not turned red color. So far, okay, type yes if you understand. That means the stock is still blue color. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so what you can do if you want to hedge, you can do a stop here for shorting. All right, the purpose when you short, right, is you hedge your long. Okay, that means you buy strong and sell weak. Okay, that's what you want to do. Buy strong stocks. These are all your strong stocks. And then those weak stocks, you know, in this market, some of the oil stocks are weak. Yes or no? Some of the oil related stocks are still weak. Okay, so you go and sell the weak stock. So then you hedge. So in the event, right, if the market, right, goes down, your assumption is this one will go down more. This one will go down less. So you protect your down. If it goes up, okay, if it goes up, then this one will go up more. This one will go up less. Okay, so that is what we call hedging. Okay. Yeah, so you can hedge means long more than short lah. Okay. Don't do like if you're doing 5 short and 2 long, your net short then it's not hedging already. Understand? Then you are like taking a short position already. Got it? So hedging means to say you have long, you protect your down to have short. Can you like say, Collin, I want to trade short? I don't recommend, okay, frankly. I don't recommend I just go and do 50, 30, 20 on short. Okay, so why? Because that's what I mentioned already, 1.4 years go down, 9.1 years go up. You know, with everybody printing money, why you want to fight the trend? Got it? Okay, of course you can buy put, but when you buy put, you must always look at decay. Okay, a lot of people don't realize that the decay can eat into your profit. When the price don't move, it can eat into your profit. 10K, then keep cash. Okay, another way of if you don't want to hedge, can you don't hedge? You don't do short. You can. Then you keep cash. Understand? Keep cash. So let's say example 10K. You don't need to short, right? You just you don't need to fully deploy your 10K. What you do, you can actually keep cash. Okay, so that is also example of hedge. Okay, BHC I think is okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, so I think the rest I will, you got so many stocks, right? Got like 32 other stocks. I won't go through them, but please go and participate in the graduate group. Okay, I will answer it over there. Post up the stocks. Post up the stock also important to put in your plan. Okay, the worst thing is, the worst kind of question is Collin can buy or not. You know, do you understand? Collin can buy is not a good question because number one, you don't go through your own analysis. You just say Collin can buy or not. Then this is like no good lah. Yes or no? What you want to do is really you do an analysis already. Then you say, oh, this is a setup. This is how I'm going to trade. Correct or not? That is the correct way to do. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, it is your benefit, right? Not like to go for tips, you know. So don't ask like, hey, Colin can buy or not, no. So it's not very good lah. Understand? Can you do that? Can you do analysis already then ask, you know, rather than say, oh, this one I pick up already, can buy or not. Then what is the benefit, you know? Yeah, what is the benefit of just can buy? Then you become tips time again. That is no good. By the way, when I do this, I hope you understand, right? This is not tips time also. Type yes if you all agree. Type yes, you all agree. If I come and become dependent on me, then it's no good. You know, then I'm doing you a disservice. Why? Because what if next time I'm not here to do this? Then how are you going to learn to trade? Like what I say, you must learn to be profitable, not just for one day, you know, or 1 month, or even 1 year. You know, you're profitable 1 year, so what? Can you be profitable for the next 10, 20 years, you know? So really focus on the long term, focus on learn how to fish yourself, okay? This community is to do that, okay? This community is not to feed you fish. If this one become dependent, then wow, then I better stop it because it will not help you, okay? In fact, last time I have this struggle, you know, am I really helping or not helping? Because sometimes feed fish and then every time become dependent, okay? So that's my struggle last time. But because of the COVID, you have to thank COVID. Because since the COVID happened, right? You all know this portfolio started since because of COVID. So when COVID happened, right, then I got worried. I said, wow, you all don't know what to do or not. So that's when I really started to manage the portfolio, okay, for y'all. Okay, so that was like 17 February was my very first stock. Then can you see 17 February ZM very first stock that we choose in 17 February. Before that, I don't have one. Okay, yes, we talk about the stock, but we don't like follow through with the stock. But after that, right, we follow through with all the stock that we talk about. Oh, so okay, so guys, please go and analyze, go and very quickly learn to do this yourself and stop making the mistake over and over again. Some of you all overtrade, then overtrade again. Why you keep overtrading? Or some of them revenge trade, you know, when you wrong already, then you want to quickly put on the next trade again. Don't do that, okay, guys? Don't do that, okay? So learn how to do this long term, then you'll be profitable. Okay, I think I net enough already. So if not, for the people in the public, go and sign up this link tomorrow. We have an event, and SMT. If you want to refer your friends to this community, type SMT, and then go and sign up this link tomorrow at 7 o'clock. We're gonna have an event. Oh yeah, by the way, graduates, if you all have friends to bring in, you all know what's the link to submit the form. Okay, if your friends were to sign up, you get 6 months more Traders GPS. Okay, you all know, right? Type yes if you know. Okay, you all know, right? Good. So if you don't know, go and check out the Facebook group. It's not a lot don't know, you see. Go to the Facebook group. There's a link. Every friend, okay, you get either $300 or $300 or 6 month Trader GPS if they sign up. Okay, but please tell the truth. Don't oversell the. One friend is $300. One friend is $300 enough. If another friend, you can choose $300 or 6 month Trader GPS. But please tell your friend the truth. Okay, don't oversell it. Okay. Tell your friend what is the whole community about. Don't overhype it. Just want your friend to join, okay? Because if I cannot deliver, if so, you have 2 friends, is 1 year Trader GPS. Okay? Okay, guys, thank you very much for the 440 plus, some of them left already. Outside still got about 400 people. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate all of you for being here. Have a good week, okay? See you and bye.